What's going on? I'm Brooke Richard here with Higdon Outdoors. Today we've got the Higdon H-frame panel blind. So what makes this product unique is it is the only panel style blind that is a full coverage 2-man blind or 1-man, 1-dog blind on the market. And really there's endless configurations. It's not just a front panel, a back panel. You take this one panel out, you and your buddy or you and your dog, and you're hidden. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna unbox this bad boy and lay out the parts, read the instructions, and show you how to put it together. Check it out. Step 1, lay everything out. We want to lay the blind itself face down on a floor is the easiest way. Face down is stubble straps on the floor. You should see the Higdon logos on the back, and we're going to start here with the left panel. As you're unboxing this blind, you're going to notice that there's pre-assembled pipes in the blind itself that already have hinges. You're not going to need any tools, no power tools. After that, you're going to see 12 pipes. There's 6 sets. They're all numbered 1 through 6. And to find out where they go in the blind, it's very simple. You're going to go to the blind. Once it's laid stubble strap down, start on the left panel. The left panel is going to be an end panel that actually has the stake pocket. It's where your stakes go. You're going to find the stakes in the box, open it up, put them right in that panel. That's where you're going to start. So as the instructions say, we're just going to open up the Velcro here at the top. The side pipes are pre-installed on every panel. Open up the hook and loop Velcro on the top and bottom, and there's going to be a sticker with the same number as the pipe that you found. So put those numbers together. I've found that starting at the top of the blinds makes it a lot easier. If you start with the bottom, it's not quite conformed its shape yet. So the smaller part of each section of the blind, get the top in, sides first, lock those in, secure the Velcro, go to the bottom. And open up all of our Velcro here. Same process as up top. We're gonna put both ends in at the same time. That way you don't have to force anything in. Just get it in there. Don't pinch your fingers. Just work it up 1 inch at a time. Very easy. Maybe give it a little tap. Make sure it's all the way in. And just like up top, we're going to go ahead and do our sides first. This is where it gets tight. So don't be scared. Super durable material. Pull on it. Get this panel tight. You want it tight so your brush stays in. When it rains, doesn't hold water anywhere. Bottom, have a lot more to grab on. The end's kind of rounded. It's got a little gusset here, if you will. So just make sure that you don't just put this Velcro down. Get that material pulled around the corners. Go in. Got some meat. Hang on to it here on the bottom. Get it nice and tight. Lock that Velcro in. Ready to go back and dress your sides, but that's all there is to it. That's the hardest part of all this. So we've got all the panels put together, and I'm going to go ahead and just show you how to fold this thing. It's very easy when you're folding this blind up. The ends say Higdon on them. Make sure they're on the outside. So it's kind of accordion-like. In, out, out, in, out. As long as you have Higdon on the outside of the blinds, you know you've got it right. Got some nice metal hardware here that keeps the blind together. Now once you brush this thing in, it's going to want to bulge. It's going to help you cinch everything down so you don't lose any brush. Same exact thing here on the other side. Nice buckles. Lock that in. You got some carry handles. Both sides actually can open up. Velcro together. And that's all you need. So you brush your blind in, go out to the field, got a shoulder strap. You can carry 9 of these things if you want. You can throw one to your buddy, he can grab it. Super easy. But yeah, that's the Higdon H-frame blind. Appreciate you guys following along and appreciate your business. Good luck this season.